In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome address bar color. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and that you are on a normal Chrome window. It does not matter which page you are on for this, because the setting you need is part of Chrome's built-in customization options. Once Chrome is open, look for the Customize Chrome option. This is the area where Chrome lets you personalize the appearance of your browser. Click Customize Chrome to open the customization panel. From here, select your choice. You can choose the color or theme style that you prefer. As you click through the available options, Chrome will usually show the changes right away, which makes it easy to preview the new look before settling on one. If your goal is specifically to change the address bar color, remember that this color is generally connected to the browser's theme rather than being changed by itself. So if the exact address bar shade does not appear as a separate setting, that is normal. Just keep selecting the theme or color style that gives you the top bar appearance you want. After you make your selection, you can simply close the customization panel and continue using Chrome. Your changes should remain applied automatically, so there is usually nothing else you need to save. That covers everything you need to know.